Many teachers individual out there are not able to conduct meet on computer or laptop. There is a question about can attendance be taken in Google Meet on mobile device. So yes, we can take attendance in Google Meet on Android mobile. In this tutorial, I will share with you how attendance can be taken on mobile during a Google Meet. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open Play Store. Type Kiwi browser. Install this browser. It will take few minutes to install. After installation, open the browser from your mobile. Step 2 is in the browser. Towards the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. Down, click on Settings option. Click on Site Settings. And the last option, click on Desktop Mode by default. Enable this option. Now go back to your browser. In the search box, type Chrome Web Store. Type Chrome Web Store extensions. Here you will find Chrome extension option. Towards the left side, click on search box and type Meet Attendance Collector. Here you will see some extensions. So the first one is Google Meet Attendance Collector. So we'll install this. Click on Add to Chrome option to add the extension. Here you can see I have already added. That's why it's showing added. After clicking on Add to Chrome option, choose an account and allow permissions to Google Meet Attendance Collector. After doing these steps, it will automatically add it to the browser. Now close this tab. Click on plus sign to open a new tab. Now next step is to start a Google Meet. In the search box type meet.google.com. Here sign in with your account. Here you can see two options are available. New meeting. So you can choose new meeting option to start a new meet. And second option is available, enter a code or link. So you can copy a link into this box and start a meet. After clicking on new meet, click on start an instant meet. Here you can unmute the mic option and you can also enable the video option. Click on join now option to join a new meet. You can see this box. You can share the link. So during your meet, you will prefer to take attendance at the last, that is before 10 to 15 minutes of your meet. So to take the attendance, towards the right top corner, click on the three vertical dots. The last option, you can see Google Meet Attendance Collector. Click on this option. Here you can see Meet Attendance Collector. Here guidelines are given of the Meet Attendance Collector. You can read these guidelines. Down you can see some options are available. The first option, members. Here you can see it is 0. As I only was there in the meeting, that's why it is showing 0. So members will show the total number of members in your Meet. Second option is download. Through this option, we'll download a file of attendance. Then third is refresh. You can refresh your page. And third is to clear the attendance. Now to download the file, click on download option. Here into this, the extension of the file is .csv. So we'll change this extension to XLSX. Click on download option. So the file is downloaded. Click on open option. So to open this file, use a Excel file reader. So I am using Office Suite Reader. Here you can see the attendance sheet. So this is the Excel attendance sheet. Here you can see no members, as only I was there in the meeting. So if there are total number of 10 or 20 students in your class, so all 10-20 students will be visible here. So friends, this was all about how to take attendance during Google Meet in mobile device. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.